Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial is how to create a chase on the parallel over how to create. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial is how let's make is how is how to create a chase on the DMX 512 controller or 192. Just the same. As you've been on my last video, which is how to program the parallel on the DMX. So you have already an idea on how to program because it is very helpful on making a chase. Just the same program of chase making. So to create a chase, you need to long press again the program button. Now for chase, this scene button will become a step of chase. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4, just like how we dance. There's a step 1, step 2, like that. Yes. So in the previous we have a program here, the scene 1 or the step 1 for chase. Now we're on chase. So let's call this step. The step 1 we have the red chase. Yeah, it's red. Now let's create the other step. You can make you have in one chase you have a 8 step. You have 8 steps. Yes, only 8 steps. But if you want only to create 2 or 4 or 6 steps, it's okay. But you must follow the order step 1, step 2, step 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So let's create our next step. Just open the picture. Let's make it green. It's the same. Save the step just the same on making a program. Long press the add button. We select the next step. There it blinks. So it's saved. Next is blue. Add. Next step 3. There. Example, we have only 3 steps. For now, we only use 3 steps, but you can use 8, only 8 maximum steps. To exit the program, you need to press, if you want to use the chase, you need to exit the program mode. Then close the blackout. Now, here is our program we just made for our chase. Now, to run this, we need to press or on the auto button. Don't long press it, just one click at a time. Okay. Until there's auto. The auto over here, the auto light, sorry, it open. Now, you see my light isn't running because of this fade, the speed fader. So let's just move it there. If you want to make it faster, just increase the speed. And you can see here our scene. You just change it's running because it's at step 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Just repeat itself and just repeat because you only make 3 steps. But if you make 8 steps, it will count into 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 but it will repeat. So there. But if you want to create another chase, you can make create another chase, but it must be in bank 2. This is bank. Yeah, for now we're now on 1. This controller has 30 banks, so you need to create another chase. So I want on the bank 2 or page 2, like that. I don't know. There's a mosquito everywhere. Now we want this uh other color. Make it color change, but not red, green, blue, like orange, pink, white, like that. So just the same. Don't press the program, but always remember, if once we open program mode, we will go back to bank 1, but we need to create another chase, so we need to go to bank 2. And most importantly, these steps are all clear. There must be there must there must not be any program over the steps. Okay, so let's create the step 1, which is amber. Here, so save the step, add, press the step 1, then the pink, add step 2, white, step 3. There, just easy. So we need to exit, press the program, close the blackout, and press the auto to run a chase. So let's run a chase. There, that is the bound one. If you want to go on the other chase we just made, we need to press this button, the bank, the plus, up bank, down bank. What we just create is on the bank 2, so let's go to the bank 2. There, I'll slow it down so you can see. There, see. But if you want to exit the chase, you just press the auto button again. There, run the chase. No, we don't want to use that chase, so just use the program. Press the scene button. There, there. So that's how you will make or create a chase on this parallel chase on the DMX 512 controller or 1 and 2. So thank you again for watching, and hopefully see you on the other video about other tutorials. Thank you very much.